So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Microsoft Office package for free. That's including your Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and other Microsoft apps for free. And this video is to help students, teachers, and if possible also workers who are trying to get the Microsoft Office for free. Okay, so how do you go about it? All right, so all you need to do is go on your web browser, and you have to be online. Alright, so go on your web browser and type in office.com. Alright, when you get to this page here, don't click on get office, because when you click on this, it will take you to the page where you have to purchase. You have to pay about I think $100 to get the Microsoft Office. But I'm going to tell you how you can get this for free. Okay, so all you need to do is click on sign in. Okay, it takes you to this login page. Okay, so it says sign in. So you have to have a Microsoft account. That's an Outlook account or a Hotmail. If you don't have one, it's quite easy to create one. About to just take you 5 minutes to create one. Just click here to create one. Okay, here I'm going to type in my own Microsoft account. Next. So definitely my password. Okay, so here you have it. Alright, so this is how you can get your Word, Excel, PowerPoint for free. So here you can open your Word document here. So you can see you can open a blank document. You have templates here you can also use. Alright, for the premium one you have to buy. So here is a blank document of Word. You can see it's still the same like your offline desktop Microsoft Word. Okay, so yeah, you just click on this switch ribbon down here, and to open up the full, just this is the exact look on your normal Microsoft 2010 to 2016 and all that. But you can see here this is online, and it's actually the latest one where you can dictate. Okay, like let me click on this and show you something. Okay, uh allow. Hello, this is DTW tutorials. I'm not typing, I'm just speaking into the microphone. You can see that. So this is actually lovely. If you are so stressed up, you can you can actually see it. It's actually saying everything I'm saying to you guys right now. So if you're so stressed up and you need to just you don't want to type, you want something to transcribe for you, just dictate your words, and you can see how fast this is. So I think the only downside is most people want a Microsoft Office offline, but this is actually quite good for a student. Let's say you have your project work or assignment, it's always good you have this online. All right, I'm going to show you how you can also save this document online on OneDrive. All right, so anywhere, any computer on your phone, you have this in the cloud. It's online, so, and it's absolutely free. You have free access to 5 gig I think 5 gigabytes of cloud space, which you can use. All right, so that's all on how to get your Microsoft Office for free. But let me show you one more thing. If you want to save this document, let me just show you quickly. I know maybe I should use a different video for this, but just quickly come here to file and just click save as, save a copy online. Can you see this? It's still listening to me and still typing this out on his own. All right, quite awesome, very very awesome. Okay, so you can save here. You can save into, you create a new folder and save into the folder, or just save. Okay, save is to ask you for the name of the document, and we're going to do this what should we say? We say DTW tutorials. Okay, test. Okay, and save. Okay, so this is it. So you saved it, and one other interesting thing is that you can always download this file to your local computer. Okay, all you need to do is go to file, go to save as, and you see the option download a copy. You can download as PDF, ODT, or just download as Microsoft document. Okay, if you love this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video with your friends, family, and loved ones. And don't forget to please subscribe to this channel. Thank you from DTW Tutorials. You are destined to win, and don't forget, Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ. For He is the way, He is the truth, and He is the life. Thank you from DTW Tutorial. See you in our next video. Bye.